Rosatom also provides various nuclear reaction-based machinery systems such as nuclear-powered icebreakers and so
Rosatom
on.
of Russia, nuclear-powered ships and nuclear reactors and
Recently,
plasma rocket.
Rosatom was assisted by the Russian Department of
Ayan.
Energy to collaborate with Roscosmos
Rosatom.
with the Russian Department of Space to
Ngayon ay
build a
7 September
plasma-powered rocket
2025.
system for future space
Sunday,
exploration
plasma
needs.
rocket ito. Ginagawa ng Rosatom, Russia. Plasma rocket. Announced February 2025.
And finally, in February 2025,
Ayan.
Rosatom successfully built a plasma rocket engine
Plasma
system that
rocket
can accelerate
engine.
spacecraft many times faster than conventional chemical rocket technology systems.
Ngayon ay 7 September 2025. Sunday, ito, alas 2 na. Sado hapon.
In fact, sometimes this Russian plasma rocket engine can reach the planet Mars, which is
Backpass
225 million kilometers from Earth, in just 2 months.
2 months.
This is certainly a major achievement, as conventional rockets typically take 9 to 12 months to reach Mars.
9 to 12 months to reach Mars. Conventional chemical rocket. Now this plasma rocket will achieve speed, distance to Mars in 2 months time. Ayun, magnetic plasma. Ayun. Ayun. Electrical energy. Electrons, neutrons, plasma yun. Lorentz force. Ayun. Using electromagnetism and Lorentz force. Plasma rocket.
Will be scaled up to a larger scale, as the Russian government and Roscosmos plan to use this technology by 2030. The Russian government has
2030.
also built a large experimental facility to perfectly build the engine, located in the Russian Twa Oblast.
2030.
Rosatom and Roscosmos have begun construction of a 14 to 28 meters long vacuum chamber
Naku,
facility
vacuum
that
chamber,
can
eh.
create conditions similar to a vacuum or space,
Mhm.
which will later be used to perfectly test the engine's performance efficiency.
Plasma rocket by Russia. Plasma engine
Rosatom
rocket.
has actually had many joint projects with Roscosmos, such as efforts to create nuclear reactor technology on the moon in China, or the construction of space energy facilities, as well as nuclear battery systems such as RTGs for spacecraft. Yes. Cross-Atom's plasma rocket engine prototype uses inert gases, such as xenon or krypton,
Xenon
as its
gases,
primary
xenon,
fuel.
primary fuel, xenon and gas. Xenon gas, which is
Conventional
abundant
chemical rocket propulsion, which
xenon gas
typically
to produce
utilizes
plasma.
liquid propellants such as hydrogen
Propellant,
peroxide
xenon
combined
gas
with
fuel
oxygen or solid
to produce
propellants
plasma
such as nitroglycerin
matter.
and oxidizers to
Plasma
create a
stick.
chemical combustion reaction for propulsion.
Propulsion.
Conventional chemical rockets are
Roscosmos.
inherently wasteful and typically have lower speeds.
Low speed.
However, the plasma rocket engine utilizes only inert gases,
Inert
such
gases.
as xenon or
Krypton.
that are fed into the propulsion system.
H2 yun. Yan, krypton, yun, plasma.
These inert
Great
gases
plasma
are
and magnetism.
released through a nozzle.
MPD
A
thruster.
strong magnetic field is
Plasma
released with
accelerator,
an
ayun.
electric pulse,
Ayun.
ionizing the gas.
Ionizing the gas. Yun.
The electrons in the xenon or krypton atoms are stripped from their nuclei,
Stripped from the nucleus.
creating a plasma composed of free electrons and
Free
positive
electrons.
ions.
Nucleus, positive electron. Lorentz force,
The
90
plasma
degree.
and the perpendicular magnetic